Hey guys, I'm Dan.
And I'm Eileen.
And we're Bates Photography on the road. We're here today at Frontier Town Campground, and we're going to give you a review of this place. It is pretty amazing.
Super amazing. So here we are at Frontier Town. Obviously, as you can see behind me, this view is unbelievable. In fact, this has taken over as my favorite view of any campground we've been to yet. So just for the record, you guys that are looking into Frontier Town, this is the Z, like zebra section. So what do you think?
I think it's pretty awesome. I mean, it's kind of hard to compete with a campground like this, especially if you have a family. The place is just, first of all, it's massive. They have 600 and some sites, but the sites are spacious enough it doesn't feel like you're just packed in like sardines. And they have so many things going on here it's amazing. We're going to go through a whole list of stuff that they have here, but there is nothing you could ever want. And even though Ocean City is 10 minutes away, Ocean City, Maryland, you wouldn't have to ever leave this campground to entertain your children. They have so much to do here. And even at the time we're in right now, with a lot of it being shut down, there's still so much going on, so many activities. The campground has been fully accommodating with everything that's happening and all. But yeah, it's a great place. And I mean, you walk out of your camper in the morning, now not the whole park, but a lot of this area where we're at, you walk out of your camper in the morning and this is what you see. It's pretty magical. And
we should note today is Memorial Day 2020. So we are 12 minutes from Ocean City, Maryland. And like my husband just said, you know, there are restrictions and things. And so it's been a unique start to the Memorial Day of this year. But with that being said, you come here and it was a vacation, you know. So I would say that you can still get onto Assateague Island.
See the wild horses.
See the wild horses. They are taking precautions.
Or at least see a bunch of horse poop.
So we'll show you that right now, how they're still wearing their masks as they're taking your money for the tolls. So this campground really is centrally located.
Yeah, and it's, you know, we've taken the whole lockdown very seriously. I haven't worked or even left our property for 2 months. And this, you know, Maryland was open before New Jersey or any of the other places that we frequent. So we thought we'd come down here, and they're observing social distancing. They have park rangers going around making sure everybody's doing what they're supposed to do to still prevent any type of close interaction. You know, we wear our masks whenever we're going somewhere. We're still kind of keeping our distance and not really going places or doing things, going to restaurants or whatever. But all that being said, is that they really have it under control here to where you feel like you can go to the boardwalk and get a thing of fries with vinegar on them and feel safe, because people are being courteous and wearing masks where they're supposed to, things like that. So it really did feel open and safe down here, even though it was the first time we were really off of our property in a while. It felt safe. Like I said, we both have some individual health concerns that have made us take this all very serious. And yet we feel completely safe being down here, you know, and everybody's respecting everybody's distances, and we're doing our thing and being self-contained in our camper. That's another great thing we should touch on, the importance of an RV, especially
in
a time like this. You don't have to worry about who used that toilet before you, who used that shower before you, who slept in that bed before you.
Yeah.
This is where RVing just takes the cake. I mean, I've said long ago, I'll never stay in a hotel room again. That once we purchased our towable.
And even though things are going to look very closed, why don't we show them a list of amenities that they have here? It's definitely worth bringing the family.
You ready? We're going to come at you hot.
Frontier Town has its own standalone ice cream parlor.
And also mega arcade.
A beautiful, well-maintained mini golf course. By the way, I always win.
What a park!
Ponies!
And of course, no Wild West town would be complete without a saloon. It's not all for the kids, folks.
Don't forget your fur babies. They deserve fun too. Here at Frontier Town, they have 2 dog parks.
you want to use these photo stations, you're going to need a bigger boat.
Nature walking trail.
High flying zip lines and rope course. For all those last minute needs, of course, you have a camp store and even a little cantina.
You have a beautiful clean pool over here, and you have a playground over here for the kiddies.
Itching for some fishing? Captain Jason Mumford and the Lucky Break will take you right out into the bay for all the fishing you can handle, right out of the Campground Marina.
How cool is it that you can park your boat and go right out into the bay from your campsite? I mean, have you even heard of that?
If being out on the water on a boat's not your thing, they have a full-length fishing pier for all your crabbing and fishing needs.
For all your water sports needs, they rent them right here. Pontoons, jet skis, stand-up paddle boards. Over here you have kayaks and canoes. Awesome.
You want sites? They got sites. They got primitive sites. They got tent sites. They got primitive cabins. They got full functional cabins. They have RV sites. They got waterfront sites. If you can't find a site to suit you, you ain't gonna find a site.
Walk up to their beautiful points and take in this breathtaking view.
So that was probably a lot to take in, but it's just to go to show you a taste of what's available down here. And that, again, that's not
all
including.
In one place.
And that's not including you go up the street to Route 50 and there's a go-kart track and bumper cars and paintball, and that's not including all that Ocean City, Maryland has to offer. Assateague National Park. You go an hour away, you're at Chickateague National Park, Chickateague Island, that's where we seasonal camp for 10 years, 11 years almost.
Yeah.
The place is amazing. But yeah, there's definitely a lot to see and do here. I've done a drive-through and some drone video, which you can watch at the end. I'll have a little B-roll going with some music, give you a really better idea of what it all looks like.
Just to get the size and scope, nearly 600 campers. You guys, you got to check out this man's videography. Enjoy it.
You got me tripping ever since I saw you. I went slipping, didn't even know you. Couldn't even breathe without you. It's how I'm feeling, all I ever wanted. You, I'm digging, it's how you got me started. Couldn't even be without you. I wanna be by your side. That's what I'm trying to say. You got me breathless, got me breathless. When you do all the things you do to me, you got me reckless, got me reckless. When you say all the things you say to me, I know nothing ever since I wanted you. I went dripping, never even wanted to. Couldn't even breathe without you. I ain't chilling, my head is spinning round. I went slipping, never even wanted you. Now I can't be without you. I wanna be by your side. That's what I'm trying to say. You got me breathless. Life was dull until you came. I was breathless when we first met. Couldn't keep my hands away. I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain away. Didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, felt this close, and when you kiss me, I can't